What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video here on Ondo. Wanted to make a bit of a positive video, right? I mean, the markets right now, markets are not bad. I mean, some altcoins are absolutely shitting the bed right now. But some alts like Ondo are still doing fine. Some others are actually holding on relatively well as well. But Ondo is one of the only altcoins that's actually holding a consolidation range relatively high. I mean, if you take a look at Ondo's price action right now, compared to the 5th of November, we're still trading about 138% higher, and not a lot of altcoins can say that. There's a couple of them, especially the older coins such as Cardano are also still up that much, whether you believe it or not. But Ondo is holding on fine, and that's why I wanted to make a video about that, because I actually wanted to talk a little bit more about Ondo and why I think this is perhaps even undervalued, and that this can actually move up higher once the market gets a little bit more risk appetite for altcoins, which is not going on right now. I mean, the Bitcoin dominance still up there. But what I like most about Ondo, I mean, first of all, if you take a look at this, we've actually had a massive surge in TVL. The TVL right now, I think, is actually at all-time high. No, it's at the all-time high. It's around $650 million locked on Ondo. And what I like most about Ondo is this. All right, what they're building is some sort of a new platform, bringing stocks and bonds on chain, which is massively bullish. All right, this is what Fink of BlackRock has been talking about, bringing those securities on chain. I think with the new US government, this is a realistic possibility, and I think there's actually an appetite. I think there's actually demand for bringing stocks on chain. I would actually personally buy stocks on chain if that was a possibility. So if I would do it, doesn't mean everybody would do it, but that does mean that there's a market for that, and that's massively bullish for Ondo. Ondo already has those ties indirectly to BlackRock. BlackRock is talking about this. BlackRock is requesting this, bringing those assets on chain. So if that actually happens, it's very, very likely that BlackRock will also work with Ondo, maybe through securitized, that's a possibility, but work with Ondo's platform to actually do this, and that's massively bullish. And then look, Ondo is not a low valuation project. They have a market cap of about $4.4 billion. Especially the token unlocks we've had in January did that. I mean, before that, the market cap was much more, or was much better. I mean, you can see right now, market cap the 18th of January was 1.87. It's now much higher, which is obviously not great. But it is what it is, and ultimately, I still do think at $4.4 billion. Look, it's most likely not going to do a 10x. That's a possibility, most likely not. However, I do actually think that that Ondo can stay relatively bullish. Right now we are consolidating mostly between 1.5 and 1.1. I think the short-term price action is still very, kind of dependent on what the market does. There's still quite a lot of uncertainty fundamentally around the markets. So short-term, I would say it's most likely will stay in this consolidation. And if Bitcoin drops down to 93,000, which I actually think is most likely, I think Ondo can also drop into 1.1. So that I do expect, but ultimately I think we will hold this consolidation range, and that we will be able to break out as well and reach new highs as well. But I'll keep you updated on that. Those are my thoughts, at least for now. If you do have any questions, please join the Telegram or the Discord group, because that's much better than the comments here. But that's it. So thank you for watching. Take care. I'll see you on my next videos, and bye.